everyone, this is Sapporo, Hokkaido, Japan. On this channel, I will be sharing all kinds of things, from hidden gems that most tourists don't know about, to famous spots everyone loves, delicious food, and even everyday scenes. Today, I'm going to make honey bread I had at a cafe and really loved. First, prepare your favorite bread. I went with a baguette this time. Next up is chocolate sauce and that honey maple syrup you know from KFC. And now, ice cream. I picked two kinds today, vanilla and chocolate. Let's get started. First, cut the bread into your preferred size. Next, cut it in half so it fits in the toaster. Once it's sliced, toast it until it's golden and crispy. Once it's toasted, make a cut in the center. Then, add as much ice cream as you like. I've got vanilla ice cream here. And this one's chocolate. Finish it up by drizzling honey maple syrup and chocolate sauce, and you're done. It's super easy, so definitely give it a try and enjoy. Bye bye! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing.